What's up guys, it's me Umair. So right now I'm at the food corner outside, going to come here to eat the ice cream as you can see, and I'm recording with my essential phone PH1. I'm using the external microphone, Sony ECM-10 I'm using. Again, you need to be the judge how good I am sounding. I'm going to eat this one. Can you see that one ice cream? Yeah, again you need to be the judge how good I'm sounding. To me it's look quite good. Again, to me it look quite good. The audio quality seems quite good. So I'm gonna eat this ice cream. Yeah. So do not forget to subscribe. It was me, Jimmy Geek. As you can see. Yeah, subscribe. Bye.